Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and they're going to give you a quick unboxing of the Nokia 8110 and 4G, and it comes in the same similar form of packaging as the 3310, which was launched last year. And just to refresh your memory, that's it there, we still have it. And yes, this is an updated version, if you like, or a tribute to the original 8110 or the Matrix phone, which was launched many years ago. And yes, you can see the similarities there, except that this is an updated one. And we also have this edition here as part of my collection. So let's get to it. On the back of the box, it'll tell us that it's got a store for games and applications, a 2 megapixel camera, LED and flash, Snake game, Qualcomm 205 chipset, and we've Volt and FM radio, and you need a headset to activate that, synchronization, contacts, calendar, Gmail, Outlook, micro SD card support up to 32 gigs and micro SIM. So pretty much what you'd expect, and we'll see what we get in the package. So we'll just pop the phone to the one side for a moment and we'll get into the packaging here. So there's our battery first off, and nicely packed up. So the battery is a 1500 milliamp hour battery. You get a pair of earbuds, which is pretty cool, and it's just a typical headset. Yes, the 108, so that's them there, your wall plug, and that's really about it. And of course it's just micro USB, just in case you're wondering. So onto the phone itself. We actually do have some hands-on clips. We'll drop a link in the blog post on it when we were at the launch. So we have this plastic on here to protect it, so we'll just get rid of that first of all. And on the back here we can see we have Nokia here, our speaker on the back, your flash there and your camera there, and this is embedded into the back. Up on top is our headphone jack and a micro USB port for charging, and down here we've got a mic, and this is of course the battery area here. So this will just pop off, and you will pop in your SIM card and your micro SD inside here and your battery in there. So that's just a quick unboxing of the Nokia 8110 4G. Stay tuned, we're going to have an in-depth look at this soon, and some other videos coming your way. So stay tuned to techbuzzlearn.com on the Nokia 8110, and let's not forget, pull down this here, and this is what it looks like compared to the original, and this is what's happened over the years. So this is a very rare phone too, and it's nice to have, and it's great to see this again coming back in a different form but up to date. And that's really it for now, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Stay tuned.